In front of me is TCL 305i, and today I would like to show you how you can change sleep time to never. Begin by opening Play Store and getting free app called Caffeine Keep Screen On. When it's ready, open it. Then click OK in Welcome pop-up. Tap on Timeout at the top and select Infinite. Now you need to access your tab menu. Click on Edit and look for Caffeine shortcut. When you find it, hold it and drag it to the top. Then select this check mark at the top right corner to save your changes. And last but not least, click on this little cap to activate infinite sleep time. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!